guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you my cat and my hamster. I'm going to be telling you some about them, but my cat might run away from me, but yeah. So make sure, if you like this video, make sure you leave a like down below and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you comment how many animals you've got and what they are. But I have as well got a fish and 2 rabbits, but they're outside. Well, the fish is not outside, the fish is inside. The 2 rabbits are outside and it's dark outside, so I won't be able to go outside. I'm saying outside too much, huh? So I'm going to show you my cat first. Dave, come here, darling. Hey! Oh, he's funny. So, my cat is exactly 15 years old. Doing. So this is my cat, Dave. He doesn't really like being held, so I'm going to be quick with him. But he is 15. He was a stray cat, but my uncle found him. And then he had him for 2 years. But then my uncle found another cat, so we got him. So we've had him for 13 years. But I think he's going to die this year because he's really old. But he's doing good, aren't you, Dave? Get off then, you silly Billy. He's fighting with my hair stuff. Yeah, so that's my cat. Next I'm going to show you my hamster, but I don't know if I should see her. Look. This is my hamster, Willow. She's in a ball at the moment. I can never get the right way around. Come on, darling, how you come? Hello. Oi. I'm just shouting at my cat because he's attacking my coat. So, this is my hamster. Oops. She's, I think she's 12-week old. No, 14 week old. Yeah, 14 week old. So this is Willow. She's a Russian dwarf hamster. I'd recommend getting a Russian dwarf hamster because they're so playful and so cute. You never know anything better, to be honest, because look at it, it's so cute. And honestly, you only need a little cage. My cage is over there, it fits perfectly. But yeah, you'd think they'll wake up in the night, but they don't. They wake up in the morning. Well, mine does, but I don't know about yours or anything. But if you have got a Russian dwarf hamster, or any hamster, I think you should get one. Not another one, but if you haven't got one, I would recommend you to get another one. You're probably thinking, why hasn't the cat ate it yet? I don't know really, but the cat is literally scared of this ball, so I'm really annoyed. So this is my hamster. So cute. Aren't you, love? Oh, he's so cute. There we go. Oh, she's falling over. Oh. Yeah, so that's my hamster. There we go. Put you back in there and then let you free. No. So I'm sorry that, guys, has been a short video, but thank you for watching. And make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment, as I said, your animals and how many you've got. So yeah, say goodbye, Dave. Yeah, goodbye! Aren't you beautiful? Ah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye, peace.